I know, it's been a really long time since I posted again. I said I was going to do better, and I didn't. But I'm here. And then you're probably thinking, why is he doing another glitch? Can't he do something else? Probably, but this one I think is different. I have not seen this anywhere, not that I actively look for anything. But let's give it a try. 100% cotton shirt that's been, oh man, washed, spun. Okay, let's try that again. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. So that's how long it's been. I forgot what to say. I've marked the center line on the shirt. It is inside out. And let's go ahead and start the usual way, putting the sleeves inside each other. This is actually Thanksgiving Day while I'm filming this. So I'm not sure if this will be posted this weekend. Probably not. It's a pretty short time to get it posted for me. Or if it'll be like, spring sometime. I really am trying to do better. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I put that in there. Let's go ahead and fold this in half. Let's see. Okay, fold one, two. That's where it is. I'm going to fold. I can really do this in the first test. I just have to go ahead and take. So there we go. Now let's see if I can glitch this. I'm guessing I cannot. So this video may never see the light of day. That is an awful lot of bulk to try and fold through. I'm thinking this isn't going to work. Look at this. Okay, let's try the next one. I have given this some thought for at least a couple of weeks, and the general consensus in my brain was that this is not going to work well at all. Let's go ahead and unfold this set. We'll just do it as, what is that, a 4-point? Yeah. Let's try it this way. I think the other is just too thick to try and actually get through. Well, I mean, it's half as thick. That's something, right? Okay, let's try this. Seriously. Yes. Good grief. Alright. Let's give it a try. Oh, I am using these new rubber bands. I'm using them for a lot of things. They're not like rubber bands. I don't. They're just like silicone bands, I think. But they come in giant lots. And anyway, if I remember, I'll put a link down below. I have scissors, but they are not the scissors that I lost. If anybody's keeping track. If my son watches this, he's gonna lose it that I'm still whining about the scissors. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's gonna be weird. I guess we're repeating a color. Okay. I mean, that's different. Off to die. All right, for this, we are going with a rainbow because when in doubt, rainbow it out. Yep, that's what I'm going with now. Red, violet, brilliant blue, electric green, lemon yellow, deep orange, and burgundy. And we're just going to rainbow this. Let's see, the center I'm going to go with the yellow, I think, because, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we'll have yellow again. So I'm going to go with yellow down here. Okay. We'll let that melt through. Okay, it's been about 36 hours. It's been under light heat, maybe 80 degrees total, for the past, I don't know, 18 hours or so. So let's go ahead and rinse this out. Did I not get that out of there? I thought I did. Okay. It's really dark currently. We'll see how it washes out. Alrighty. Definitely should have done the dye at an angle, so there'd be something other than just this. Yeah, that dawned on me. Yeah. Oh well. Here's the results. It doesn't look anything like a glitch. At all. I was hoping that by going back over it that third time that we would get something that resembled a glitch, but I'm not seeing it anywhere. Wonder if it would have been better if I would have done an angle for the dyes. What do you think? Is it worth doing this again just to see what happens? I feel like it would just create that kind of thing, the zigzag across it. Let me know down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.